Hello to all of you and welcome back. In this tutorial I am going to explain you about switch function. Switch function is similar to if function in Excel. So for example, we have such chart and we would like to receive the percent of discount up here in this column. In case if we would use if function, then we should do like this. We would type here if, after that point condition, if this is equal to the word gold, then in this case please give me 3% of discount. If not, then again logical value. If it is silver, then 5% of discount, and so on. If function won't help us in this way. For this we would use switch function. Switch function helps us not to type every time comparable cell. So I will delete this and will show it for you. Let's type here switch. After that we have to point expression to which cell we are going to compare our data. In our case, this is the cell D4. So this is going to be our expression. In case that in this cell is present gold, so we are going to type here gold. In this case, we would receive discount 3%. Let's type here 3%. In case that in this cell is present silver, then we would receive 5%. In case bronze, we'll receive 7%. Okay, and in case there is something unknown value, for example platinum, we won't type it up here. In this case, we would receive unknown word. So let's type here unknown. And close our parentheses, press enter. Now, if I drag down all our formulas, we can see that in front of silver we have 5%, in front of bronze 7%. Here and here we have gold and it is equal to 3%. And here where we have platinum, we have unknown. Super! Now let's count the sum of discount. In this case we would type here such formula. The total sum of our order is present in column C, so we should type here C4 multiple on our discount and press enter. Now we have received 3% of discount. Let's drag it down. And what we can see that up here in the cell G7 we have received such message. We do not have values in this column and Excel will automatically put it as such message. How to avoid this mistake? For this we have to use if error function. So if we type here in front of our cell if error, after a semicolon we have to type what exactly should be written when we will receive an error. We will receive nothing, so we have typed here empty space. We are pressing enter and drag it down, and in this case up here where previously we had error, now we have nothing. Super, it works. So for calculating required sum for paying for the product, we should type here extra formula, the sum of order minus the sum of discount. Again drag it down and again change our formula with if error function. If error, in case that this is error, there it will be equal to nothing. Let's drag it down again. Perfect. Excel works extremely good. Super. Well, I hope this lesson was very useful for you. Use it at your practice. Take care. Till the next time. Bye-bye.